in the classroom. Today, we're going to have some fun with sentences. We're going to learn how to make our sentences more exciting and interesting. Let's start with a simple sentence. I read a book. Now, let's think about how we can make this sentence even better. First, let's add an adjective. Adjectives are words that describe nouns. The noun in our sentence is book. What kind of book could it be? Maybe it's a big book, or a funny book, or a colorful book. Let's add that to our sentence. I read a big book. Now, let's add some more details. Where could we be reading this book? Maybe in the library, on the sofa, or at a desk. Let's add one of these to our sentence. I read a big book at my desk. Now, let's add an adverb. Adverbs describe how we do something. Maybe you read the book quickly, slowly, or happily. Let's add that to our sentence. I happily read a big book at my desk. See how much more exciting our sentence is now? By asking questions and adding more details, we've made our sentence much more interesting. Now it's your turn. Think of a simple sentence and see how you can up-level it by adding adjectives, adverbs, and more details. See you next time. Goodbye.